Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this cute little pinky eye look and I used the Natasha Denona Love Palette. I do have a couple other videos with this palette on my channel, so if you want to check those out, I'll link those down below for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I got this makeup look, including my base makeup and my lips. And today's video is kindly sponsored by Glamai. So I've worked with Glamai in the past and they created this beauty taste trend report for 2021 that I'll be sharing with you guys today. So this is kind of a different award system because it's based off of opinions of people who have actually used the product and reviewed it, instead of just like a handful of experts who give awards, kind of like the Allure Beauty Awards. You know, those are picked by experts, but Glamai's report is data driven based off of consumers' opinions. And because Glamai has all this data, they're able to create some really unique categories for the Beauty Taste Award, such as anti-COVID, Pinterest aesthetic, and ethical beauty. So for this video, I picked 3 products from the Beauty Taste Awards that I will be using today. I have a moisturizer, a foundation, and a lip gloss. Glamai also has a really unique app that makes it kind of more fun to shop for beauty products based off of key talks and what people are actually saying about these products. So if you want to check out Glamai's app or even the Beauty Taste Trend Report, I'm going to link both of those down below for you. Now let's get into the makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start off with moisturizer to prep my skin for my makeup, and I'm going to be using the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So this product is under the hybrid category for the Beauty Face Awards because in 2021 people were kind of switching from using typical primers to using moisturizers as their face primer. So it's a hybrid product because you can use it as a moisturizer and a primer. And in 2021, I definitely got into that trend of using some kind of moisturizer or like a hydrating serum underneath my foundation because I realized I just don't really need a primer anymore. And this one is just awesome and creamy. Look at that texture. I'm going to apply that now and let that sink in as I do my eyeshadow. So then once I move on to my base makeup, my skin is nice and hydrated and prepped. This feels so good on my skin. The Aqua Balm moisturizer is really good too if you haven't tried that one. Either of the Belif moisturizers are amazing. So I'm gonna let that sink into my skin as I'm doing my eyeshadow, and like I said, we're using the Natasha Denona Love Palette today. And I am gonna prime my eyes as usual with the Rare Beauty Eye Primer. And I'm just buffing that in with a Sigma F64 concealer brush. And then setting that with the translucent powder, I'm using the RCMA one. I've just been in the mood to do a pinky eyeshadow recently, so this is gonna be so fun to dig back into. I'm gonna start with the shade Valentine on a Sigma E35, and I'm just gonna dust that all throughout my crease. And I'm doing about 3 layers of this eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take Intense on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to use this shade to start to deepen up the outer half of my lid. Now I'm gonna go one more shade deeper, and I'm gonna take Heartbeat on a Sigma E42. And again, just deepening up the very outer corner. All right, I like how that blend looks nice and cute and pink. Now I'm gonna take Lifetime on my finger, and this shade's gonna go on the inner part of my lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Giving on my finger. Okay, I'm going to place that right in between the gold and my matte pink outer corner, just to help this transition. Cute. Then I'm just going to softly blend around those shimmers with my E25. I do want to do a wing today, so I'm going to take my Haus Labs liquid liner in Punk. All right, my wings are on. They aren't perfectly even, but when are they? Now let's move on to some face makeup. So for my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. And this product was in the No Makeup Award Academy for the Beauty Taste Awards. So in 2021, base makeup kind of shifted from being a super full coverage to now a more like natural kind of skin looking finish. And based off of people's key talks from the Beauty Taste Awards, people said this foundation was weightless, hence the name Weightless Foundation. All right, so let's shake it up and pop this on. I heard such great things about this foundation, and so I feel like I'm pretty late to the game using this one now, but it is beautiful. And then using a Sigma F79, I'm gonna blend that into the skin. Do you see how like easily that blended in? And it's really nice because your skin still looks like skin with this on. Now I'm going to quickly do the rest of my base makeup. I think I'm going to speed through this part, but all the products will be listed down below as always. My base makeup is on. I love how it looks. Now let's zoom in and finish up the eyes. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to that Heartbeat shade on the Sigma E42. I'm just gonna blend that along my entire lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go back to that Valentine shade, and I'm just gonna soften everything up with this shade. Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E21 smudge brush in the shade Commitment, and I'm just gonna use that to deepen up my lower lash line. I'm kind of placing that right on the base of my lower lashes, just for a little bit of darkness. All right, so just like that, it just looks like a little shadow kind of. And then again, I'm just gonna blend over that with my E42. I'm really happy with how that looks. Now I'm gonna take Transparent on a Sigma E30, and we're just gonna highlight. I'm super happy with how this looks. Now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and then we'll finish up with the lips. Okay, my lashes are on, and today I'm wearing one of my more wispier styles. So this is from my brand, The Bright Lashes, and the style is Adorn. It's a super pretty, kind of flirty lash, but it's not like too thick. It's very, very lightweight. And now let's finish up this look with lips. I have the most expensive lip gloss I have ever bought, and it is the Tom Ford Gloss Luxe in the shade Aura. This is a $58 lip gloss, and I wanted to try this one because it was under the viral beauty category for the Glamai Beauty Taste Awards. This packaging is just stunning, and it's like really heavy. So this gloss is under the category like the Tom Ford Balm Frost because that lip product went viral on TikTok in 2021. So while that product was going viral and it sold out, people were looking for alternatives, so this is one of them. I am just gonna quickly line my lips. I'm using MAC Whirl, if you're wondering. Okay, let's try this. I'm so excited. Can't get over this packaging. Ooh, beautiful applicator. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. This is so pretty. What is this smell? It's like creamsicle? Like vanilla creamsicle. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna tap that in with my finger. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love the color. It was very pigmented too for a lip gloss. I'm definitely gonna keep using this because you guys know I love a good nude lip gloss. All right, and that is it for today's makeup look. I love how it turned out, super cute and pink. I am posting this video on Valentine's Day, so it would also be a very good Valentine's Day look. Thank you again to Glamai for sponsoring this video. If you wanna check out their app or even the Beauty Taste Awards report, I'm gonna link both of those down below for you. And as always, all the products I used today will be linked down below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.